Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the world of the ultimate Renaissance man. He painted one of the most famous portraits in history, sketched flying machines centuries before airplanes existed, and filled notebooks with groundbreaking studies of human anatomy. I'm talking about Leonardo da Vinci. Now, let's be honest, many biographies about Leonardo can feel overwhelming. They're packed with information and often take a lot of effort to get through. That's why I was excited to pick up this little gem, Leonardo da Vinci in 30 seconds. 30 fascinating topics about the life and times of Leonardo da Vinci by Paul Harrison, with illustrations by Tom Woolley. The concept is brilliantly simple. Paul Harrison breaks down Leonardo's extraordinary life, art, inventions, and ideas into 30 bite-sized topics that are easy to understand and enjoyable to read. If you've ever wanted to learn about Leonardo without wading through a massive biography, this book makes it incredibly approachable. Each topic spans a 2-page spread and includes 3 sections. First, the 30-second soundbite, which explains the topic in clear, jargon-free language. Second, the 3-second flash summary, a quick 1-sentence takeaway. And third, the 3-minute active mission, a short activity or challenge designed to get readers thinking like Leonardo himself. The book is divided into chapters covering Leonardo's life and times, his artistic achievements, and his inventions. Along the way, you'll discover everything from his rivalry with Michelangelo to his coded notebooks and ambitious war machine designs. I can't talk about this book without mentioning the illustrations. Tom Woolley's artwork is fantastic. The pages are bright, modern, and packed with personality. Rather than relying heavily on traditional Renaissance artwork, the book uses lively cartoon-style illustrations that make the subject feel fresh and accessible. The result is a book that brings the 15th century to life in a way that's engaging for younger readers and entertaining for adults as well. What I love most about this book is how versatile it is. Although it's aimed primarily at curious kids and young teens, I found plenty of interesting facts that were new to me. It's a great choice for families, homeschooling, classroom enrichment, or anyone looking for a quick introduction to Leonardo da Vinci. The book treats history as an adventure rather than a lecture, and Harrison keeps the pace moving throughout. It's informative, visually appealing, and proves that learning about one of history's greatest minds doesn't have to be intimidating. Whether you're a young reader, a history enthusiast, or simply curious about Leonardo da Vinci, there's something here to enjoy. If you've read this book, let me know what you thought in the comments. And if you could bring one of Leonardo's inventions to life today, which would you choose? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more book reviews and literary content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.